Let's practice this week's theme. Manger.
To eat.
Mwen ap manje yon salade.
I am eating a salad. Food.
Manje a sale an pil.
The food is very salty.
Bwe.
To drink.
Li ap bwe chokola.
She is drinking chocolate.
Boisson.
Drink.
Boisson sikre an pil.
The drink is very sweet.
Gade.
To watch.
Li ap gade televizyon.
He is watching television. To look at.
Li ap gade ekran.
He is looking at the screen.
Jwe.
To play.
Yo ap jwe kat.
They are playing cards.
Netwaye.
To clean.
Li ap netwaye kizin nan.
She is cleaning the kitchen.
Danse.
To dance.
Li reme danse.
She likes to dance.
Fete.
To party. To celebrate.
Nou te fete jouk li jou.
We partied all night long.
Dormi.
To sleep.
Li ap dormi.
It is sleeping.